Hey guys, so we are going to be updating your interactive notebooks to page 60, and your title is going to be dot plots. The date is April 14, 2020. This is your objective. I'll be able to understand and make a dot plot from a random sample. So give yourself enough room because you're going to be copying this down and you're going to be making a graph. So make sure you write tiny if you need to write tiny, but I think you should have more than enough room. Okay. Make sure at the bottom of your page, you write page 60. Pause me where you need to pause me. Okay. I'm going to move on. So I want you to copy down this question. It says, how many hours of sleep do people get a night? So we're going to be making a dot plot off of this sentence right here. Okay. And in order to make a dot plot, you need to get a random sample, meaning ask any random 20 people. I asked 20 people. It could be 10 people. It could be 100 people, but I don't know that many people. So I only asked 20. Okay. And like a bunch I made up. So Sasha only sleeps for 7 hours. I want you to copy down all their names and their hours. Okay. Sasha sleeps for 7. Malia sleeps for 8. Barack sleeps for 6. Michelle sleeps for 7. Zanab sleeps for 12. That's me. I sleep a lot. My brother sleeps for 10. My sister sleeps for 7. My best friend Emily sleeps 9 hours. Aaron sleeps 8 hours. Johair sleeps 6. Savannah sleeps 8. Camilla sleeps 7. Liz 8, Musa 12, Issa 8, Isaiah 7, Tucker 8, Kushner 6, Shaheen 9, Thorn 5. These are the hours that these people sleep. Okay, I want you to copy that down into your notebook. Pause me if you need to pause me. Okay, and then you're going to be making a graph wherever you can fit it. Okay, I'm going to make it right next to my number so that way I can see it better. But if you need to go below and draw it, you go below and draw it. So what you're going to do is at the very end of your graphs, right? You're going to find the lowest number and the highest number. Okay. So the lowest amount of hours someone sleeps in this is 5 hours. Okay. I'm going to go one below and write 4 hours. Okay. These down here is going to represent the hours someone sleeps. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 was the highest, right? That was me. And then I'm going one above the highest number, 13. Okay? That's what you're going to copy down. How do I make this disappear? Go away. There you go. Okay. Copy that down. That is my ugly looking line. I hope you can make yours easier, prettier than mine. And now we're going to plot. Okay? We're going to plot our numbers. So the lowest number we have is 5, right? We got 1 point for 5. You're going to put a dot right above 5. Pretend that's a cuter looking dot. I think I can make it better than that. Hold on. This is going to bother me. Okay. Blue. That's my dot. Okay, there. That's better. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the next number. I have a 9 here. I'm going to cross that out, a 9, and I'm going to put a dot above 9. Okay. That's how we're doing this. A dot above 9. I'm going to cross Kushner out. He's a 6. I'm going to put a dot above 6. I have Tucker. She's 8. I'm going to put a dot above 8. Okay. I have Isaiah. He's 7. I'm going to put a dot above 7. Issa. He's 8. I'm going to put a dot, another dot, a second dot above 8. Okay. Do you see what I'm doing so far? You see how Tucker and Issa both sleep for 8 hours? That's 2 people that sleep for 8 hours. Those are what those dots represent. Musa sleeps for 12 hours. So I'm going to put a dot above 12. You guys should not be crossing out the names in your interactive notebook. You leave their names there. Don't cross it out. I'm crossing it out for myself so you guys can see and follow along. Okay? You keep their names there. Liz sleeps for 8 hours. We got another 8 up here. Camilla sleeps for 7 hours. I put a 7 there. Savannah sleeps 8 hours. Sleep 8. Johair sleeps for 6 hours. We're going to make a 6 here. Aaron sleeps 8 hours. Put an 8 there. Emily sleeps 9 hours. Put a 9 there. Thaba sleeps 7 hours. That's my sister's name. One of my sister's names. Sahib sleeps 10 hours. Me! I sleep 12 hours. Well, not anymore, but during spring break, you bet I slept 12 hours. Michelle slept 7 hours. Barack Obama sleeps 6 hours. I'm just assuming he sleeps 6 hours because he is busy. Malia sleeps 8 hours. Sasha sleeps 7 hours. Okay. And that is your dot plot. That's how you make a dot plot. Okay. So according to this graph, right? If you look at it, you see erase. There's no 13. Okay, according to this graph, right? Which one do people mostly sleep in? What's the majority amount of sleep hours people get? 8 hours. That's the most, around 7 and 8, actually, right? But 8 hours is the peak. So people sleep between 7 and 8 hours a night. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to make what they call a curve. I'm going to pick a different color, okay? And you see how there's nothing here? I'm going to go as close to the lines as possible. You're going to go right over your dots to make this curve. I'm going right over my dots. I'm not going to cut my dots. I'm going to go follow the dots. Okay? So that's the curve that I end up making. You see how at the top of the curve, that is kind of where your answer lies, where the most amount. So majority of the people sleep for 8 hours. So you see how you came to that conclusion. There's a new word in math that you're going to use. I want you to leave some room down there. And in your notebook, I want you to write your inference. It is called an inference. You are drawing an inference, which means you are coming to a conclusion, is that most people sleep 8 hours a night. Okay? That is what I want you to do. Please go back to Google Classroom and answer this next question. I just want you guys to copy this interactive notebook, page 60, and then I want you to answer a question, which is how many hours of sleep you guys get on Google Classroom. And then tomorrow, we're going to be making a dot plot together. Okay, so make sure you answer that question on Google Classroom. All right, and then that's it. You are free. Bye. I miss you guys.